wants this machine, who's it aimed at, and why is it so good?
Well, in my opinion, everyone that's looking to do high volume work. I mean, if you're looking to make money in manufacturing, you need a machine like this. It's simple as that, really, Lynn.
So basically, you've got the FEEDIO feeding the SPEEDIO, because the SPEEDIO is so fast with speed, it needs a machine to feed it, yeah?
Absolutely, 100%.
Thanks, Gio.
Well, hyperMILL, so first of all, what a lot of people don't know is it started off as a 3-axis product. It was orientated, it was the mould and die market specifically. In mould and die, surface quality and safety are paramount. And that is still, what we're all about today. So even, entry-level machining, they're not, spindles are not cheap. So if you dink your spindle because maybe you've not collision checked it fully, that's a mistake that you can't afford to have. So hyperMILL has security at every stage.
So we've got a full turnkey cell, 3-axis VMC here from Quasar. We've got a 5-axis interface in the back ready. So what we're looking to do is put this package out to a customer at a special promotion.
And tell me a little bit more about that promotion. Why are you doing this?
Well, the first thing people will ask us about this cell is what's the cost, what's the price of the cell? We haven't got a price for the cell. Basically what we want to do is talk to the customer and find out what they can afford to pay for this machine.
Paul, what is hybrid manufacturing?
It's a combination of additive and subtractive, and this is a perfect example. The application we're going to see during today's discussion is a really good illustration of the combination.
So, firstly, Paul, tell us the technology behind this.
Okay, so the TAKUMI machine, it has the ability to print metals, and then of course machine metals in the same way a normal TAKUMI. In fact, this is built on a H12 TAKUMI model, which is a dual column, heavy duty machining centre essentially.
Looking to drive down your cycle time? Then look no further than the Dugard PC700. Wow, Mike, okay, what's different about this machine?
This machine, Lyndsey, offers us the fact that we've got quite a large table size on here. So we've got traverses in X of 700 by 400 in Y, which allows people to put larger parts on these type of machines or a lot of smaller parts on.
Okay, yeah, of course, if you've got any work holding on there as well, you're working on multiple parts. Now, in terms of who this is aimed at, who will in general buy this machine?
Like you intimated, people that are after the more competitive edge, trying to reduce their cycle time down. With a machine that's got 60 metres of rapid traverse, 21 station tool changer, therefore, with the style of carousel that this machine has got, tool changing time of 1.7 seconds is really, really quick. So you can reduce those cycle times really quickly.
We're at Kale & Co in Sunderland, massive Matsuura fans. They've got 5-axis machines, twin pallet machines. This is one of their latest acquisitions, MX330. John, you run the machine, tell me all about it.
Graham, thank you very much for the invitation to TNR Precision Engineering. Now, this fabulous TAKUMI MU5000V 5-axis. Now, this has really taken up a massive part of your plant here. But tell me a little bit about the reason you've bought this machine.
We're at S. Lilly & Son in the centre of Birmingham. They've just invested in their 6th citizen machine. Let's find out why.
I'm here at Petford Group in Dudley. Now, these guys have been making mould and die solutions for nearly 50 years. Recently, they've embraced hexagon production software, and we're going to find out why.
Today we're going to be focusing on the Brother machine tools and machining strategies. I know you've got a large range of machine tools at Whitehouse Machines that you offer, but
you know, firstly I'm going to start with you, Neville.
Who is a legend?
Who is an absolute legend.